So you want waves. You just don't know how to get them. You're new to this. You're a beginner. You don't know where to start. Well, don't worry, because this guy right here, the guy you're watching, he's done this before. He's been doing this for years. Who is he? He's Wave Man Mike. Yeah, that's me. Wave Man, yeah, that's me. And guess what? I'm here to help you. So if you want tips on how to get waves, don't worry, because I got you. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Wave Man Mike, and we're back for another video. Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get waves. I get it. You're a beginner. You don't even know where to start. That's why I'm here to help you. But before I help you and do any of that, I need you to help me with something. All you got to do is press the like button. Just press the like button. It's really simple. It's really easy. You can do it. Just go do it right now while I'm talking about it. And go leave a comment down below telling the other people to like the video as well. Also subscribe if you're new here. If you're not subscribed already, trust me, it's worth it. Go subscribe. And by the way, I've got a lot of videos on my channel related to waves. So if you want to go check those out, go check them out. I've got videos on how to get deep waves, how to make your connections better, how to wash your hair, stuff like that. If you want to know about all those topics, subscribe to my channel and look at all my videos, because I've made a lot of videos that'll help you out. But enough of all that, let's get into this video. Alright, so when you're about to get waves, of course you're going to need a brush. Brushing your hair is very important when you're trying to get waves. In fact, it's the most important thing about trying to get waves. You can't get waves unless you brush your hair. It doesn't matter if you wear a do-rag all day. If you put grease in your hair, if you do this, that, and the third, all you need to do is brush your hair. Well, not all you need to do, but I'm saying you need to do that. It's the main thing when trying to get waves. You know what I mean? Any brush will work. Like, there's so many different types of brushes. There's brushes that look like this. There's brushes that look like this. There's so many different brushes. There's long handle brushes, short brushes, curved brushes, flat brushes, 9-row, 10-row. You know, there's so much variation in the way brushes are made. But honestly, they all do the same thing. As long as you got a brush with bristles, it's not like one of those detangler brushes or something like that. You know, it has bristles. It does the job. If you want me to recommend a brush for you to get, don't worry, because I got you. I'm going to go ahead and recommend all the brushes off the website www.smoothstyles.com. Why am I recommending those brushes? Well, it's because they partnered up with me and they're providing a discount code for you to use. Anytime you get something from their website, smoothstyles.com, you get 20% off your entire purchase. You can get a brush like this, you can get a brush like this, you can get a brush like most of all brushes. And they have do-rags and stuff on their website. They have pomades and stuff on their website. So you can go check out their website, www.smoothstyles.com. There's a discount. By the way, the discount code is WaveMan. Type that in. I'm not sure if it works any type of way, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say to use it with all capital letters, because I know that way works for sure. I can go ahead and show you how to get brushes from smoothstyles.com right now. Okay, so what you want to do is go to www.smoothstyles.com, and this is what will pop up. This is the home page for their website. You can see there's already brushes and stuff on this home page. You could go to shop now and then scroll till you find a brush that you want. As you can see, some things are selling out, which means you might want to go a little bit quicker than usual. You want to go quickly, because these things are going to sell out before you can get them if you don't go quickly. All right, let's see. Here's a brush for $15.50. Let's click this one. We're going to add it to our cart. Enter all the necessary information for this page. Click continue to shipping. And now at the top, you're going to see an option that says show order summary. Go ahead and click that. And there's going to be a pop down menu that's going to say discount. And you're going to enter in WaveMan in that space. So go ahead and do that. And then you're going to see that your discount has been applied and you get
percentage off of your purchase.
All right, now you know how to get brushes from smoothstyles.com. I went online and showed you how to get brushes from smoothstyles.com, and now you're good. Now you need to know how to brush your hair. This part is important because, especially if you want your waves to look nice, you want to be making sure that you're brushing your hair the right way from the very beginning. You don't want to start out doing it wrong and then have to catch up down the line, right? You want to be doing it the right way from the very beginning. And this is the beginning. I'm teaching you from the very beginning. Hopefully you started, like, you watched this video before you tried to start, or you watched one of my videos before you try to start, so you didn't waste your time at the beginning. You know what I mean? So how do you brush your hair? Well, there's this part on the back of your head called the crown. You always want to start from your crown and go outward. The way that you can ensure that you're starting from the crown is to use a mirror. You need a handheld mirror, and then you need a wall mirror. This is a handheld mirror, and then just pretend there's a mirror behind me. I'll hold this brush up like this in front of me, and then there's the wall mirror behind me. That way I can see the back of my head whenever I look into this mirror. I'll go ahead and include a few clips of me brushing my hair, like from the past. I'm not gonna do it in the present right now. I'm not gonna take off my do-rag, only because if you are subscribed to my channel already, you know that I just scalp my waves, which means I just cut them all off. But don't get it misunderstood, don't get it twisted. You can check out all my other videos. I was dipping before, I've had waves before, I know what I'm talking about. I just so happened to cut them off right before I made this video. I basically got a bald head. My wave pattern is called 540, or some people might call it 360 swirl. So I brush different from somebody who would brush in a different wave pattern. There are multiple wave patterns, including 360, 540, and 720. Whichever pattern you want depends on how you're gonna brush your hair. You know what I mean? If you want 360 waves, you're gonna brush your hair horizontally outwards from your crown. If you want 540 waves like me, you're gonna brush your hair in a diagonal pattern. And if you want 720 waves, you're gonna brush them literally around your crown. So they're gonna line up vertically, straight up and down on all sides coming from your crown. Now let's talk about products. There are two types of products, natural and unnatural. The difference is basically is what is in them. Natural products use natural ingredients. Unnatural products use unnatural ingredients like harmful chemicals and everything like that. I mean, yeah, you know what I mean. I personally use both. I use unnatural products, I use natural products. It just depends on how I'm feeling whichever day. If you want that really silky, smooth, healthy looking hair, then you're probably gonna wanna use natural products only. There's different products. There's oils, butters, moisturizers, pomades, greases, etc. I'm gonna go online and show you how to order products from online. You don't have to get them from online. You can go into stores. There's beauty supply stores. There's stores like Target, CVS, Walmart, and you can go in and buy them like that. But if you want to buy them online, I'll just go ahead and show you how to buy them online.
Okay, so what you want to do is go on Google and you want to Google search whatever product that you want. So if you want a pomade, just search that in. So 360 style pomade, You can see it pops up right here. Lustrous S Curl 360 style wave pomade. You can see different results from different stores, and you can order them all online that way, straight from Google. Or you can even go on Amazon, and I'm going to show you how to do that from Amazon. Now that we're on Amazon, literally you just do the same thing. Just type in whichever pomade you want. Here, look, it even pops up before I even finish typing it. Just keep scrolling down, and you can see there are even more types of pomades that pop up with the result of what I typed in. You could type in something else though. You don't have to type in 360 style wave pomade. You can type in Murray's hair pomade. You scroll down and you can see Murray's pomade. There are other results that are popping up too. Let's say you wanted a butter. You can type in cold labels wave and scalp butter. Yeah, you see it pops up right there. And look, it pops up right there. There's other results that are popping up as well. These are all natural products in this result. Those other ones were unnatural. So let's see what else. Moisturizer, we have Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie. And you see right there, there's results for other moisturizers. So yeah, that's how you find them online.
Okay, so that's how you buy them online. But like I said, you can go in store and buy products. Like I said, Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, the beauty supply store, all those stores should have the products, you know, and you should be able to go in and buy them. Next up, you want to get a do-rag. There are different types of do-rags made from different materials. There's ones from like cotton, polyester, satin, silk. You know, they feel silky. And then there's different ways they look. They can be solid colors. They can be camo pattern. They could have, you know, Dragon Ball Z, Louis Vuitton, stuff like that on them. By the way, I did a video on my do-rag collection. If you want to go check that out, see all the do-rags that I have, then you can go check out that video. You can also go in store and buy do-rags as well. They have them pretty much in the same places that the products are found, you know, like Target, Walmart, beauty supply store, so on and so forth. And often, a question that I get often is, how often should you wash your hair and how do you wash your hair? As far as how often you should wash your hair, I say you should wash it maybe 3 or 4 times a week. You don't want to wash it too often because you're going to strip your hair of its natural oils. And yeah, I recommend you go watch my videos where I teach you guys how to wash your hair. I've made many videos of me washing my waves. If you're asking which shampoos will be best for your waves, mostly all shampoos will work for washing your waves. You can get ones with like without certain ingredients in it. There are certain ingredients that people don't like when they're getting shampoos and stuff like that. So yeah. All right, now that we talked about all that stuff, I need to tell you something. Everything we talked about is relevant when you're trying to get waves, especially for beginners, right? But you need to keep in mind, the first thing we talked about is the most important thing we talked about. Brushing your hair is the most important thing when you're trying to get waves. There's nothing else about trying to get waves that's more important. The more you brush, the better your waves will look, and the faster your waves will come. Also, I know there's gonna be people talking and asking me questions like, will this work for people with straight hair? Will this work with people with coarse or nappy hair? Stuff like that. I'm here to tell you that getting waves will work for pretty much all hair textures. If there is a hair texture that it doesn't work for, I'm not aware of that hair texture because I've seen people with straight hair get waves before. But you also have to keep in mind that everybody's hair is different. So everybody's hair takes a different amount of time to wave up. Just because your friend has a similar type of hair to you doesn't mean it's gonna take the same amount of time that it took him or her. So if it took your friend 2 weeks to get waves, it might take you 4 months to get waves. It shouldn't take that long, but it might. Everybody's hair is different. Also, everybody's waves are gonna look different. People with different hair textures have their waves looking a different way. Like those super wide and spaced out waves you see, those are straight hair waves. The super close waves you see, like where they're skinnier, those are coarse hair waves. So if you have coarse hair and you're aiming to get super wide spaced out waves, you can pretty much just not aim for that, because that's not your reality. And vice versa, if you have straight hair and you want super close waves, pretty much forget about it, because you're gonna have spaced out waves and not gonna have closer waves. I hope you understood what I'm talking about. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I don't have anything else to talk about. By this point, I hope you pressed the like button already. But if you didn't, it's not too late. Go press the like button right now. If you didn't press the like button right now, you're gonna have bad luck for 10 days. If you didn't press the like button already, you're gonna have bad luck for 10 days. If you do press the like button, you're gonna have good luck for 2 weeks. Go comment that down below to just make sure that you get your good luck for 2 weeks. Go comment 2 weeks of good luck. I can guarantee you're gonna walk outside and find $1 million just waiting outside your door. Like, who put that there? I don't know. It was your good luck. Also, go share this video with other people. I know you know somebody else who needs waves or wants waves. This is the video that can help them out. When you're hanging out with your friends, just start this video up. Trust me, they're gonna like it because it's gonna help them. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it already. I hope you left those comments, because if you didn't, then you have bad luck. If you did, you have good luck. Also, go subscribe if you haven't already. Become a wave man today. The only way you can become a wave man is if you subscribe to this channel. I'm Wave Man Mike. Subscribe, comment, and like. Enjoy your day.